And you're gonna kill a snake.
Ah!
This is great that it's on video. Honey, it's coming my way, not going that way here, hon. Get it to go out of the pool area. No. Honey, make it go out. It's coming closer my way. I'm going to be running in the house here in a minute.
Here we go. Get back.
Oh, God.
Come on!
He's stuck in the corner.
See him wagging his tail?
Yes.
Come on, the freaking door is open.
I don't like snakes.
Oh, he's trying to bite. Ah! Get out!
Oh.
Shit!
Oh.